Welcome to the Optimum CAD solution. I am Pankaj Ratnaparki. Once again, we'll start our free online course that is Plastic Product Design and Advanced CATIA. So let's take a today's tutorial that is design of a motor cover. It is a plastic cover. So before that, as we already discussed our course content, those are the course content and we are at Advanced CATIA. The points which already covered during the course and the videos are available on our YouTube channel. So without wasting time, let's take a today's tutorial and the task to design the motor cover. The motor has a rotor and winding inside the metal body. Basically it is a cylindrical shape. So to resist or protect electrically, we have to use the plastic cover. So let's see our today's task. This is our 2D design. With the help of all the dimension section views, we are going to design our 3D. So let's open the CATIA. Tutorial number 10. Here we are in the part design. So let's take a point, axis system, and we'll hide all the default planes. So let's see, we'll start from the drawing. So this section we have to design, and by using the revolve command, we'll execute our today's first operation. So we'll see the dimensions 140 divided by 2. So this is the 5 mm, here the 5 mm. So next, this point is at 60 mm from the center. So let's give the dimensions. Before that, we'll take a basics, all the sketches. This point, so this is 20 mm and this is total 85 mm. So this is, as we already discussed, 60 mm, 120, and this is 72 divided by 2. 36 mm. So we'll hide this and we'll give the radius by using the so we have to coincide those tools. So here the radius is of 120 mm, so R 120. So this arc is get completed here. So now the remaining part, so this dimensions, this is the 66 divided by 2. So 36 is a bottom diameter, bottom radius, and upper one is a 66 divided by 2, 33. So this both are we are going to connect each other. Now inside section we have to draw. So let's draw the basic one firstly, and after then we'll give all the dimensions, and this getting closed. $60 divided by 2, 30 mm, and this 35 divided by 2. This is from top mm, top dimensions is 8 mm, and this is the 4 mm. So we'll once again check from drawing 8 and 12, it means 4. So here our sketches get ISO constraint, so we can go for revolve command. Revolve, it means shaft command. So here the basic sketch is basic 3D is get completed. So we'll give the basic body name cover. This is the first body, and on which we are going to do the remaining operations. So this radius is 25 mm or 20 mm, and bottom radius are 3 mm. So the chamfer, which is already given on a drawing, 2 into 45 degree. So this section is get completed. Now let's moving towards the mounting. So detail view B. So will start to design. So there are three mounting points which divided 120 mm angle, 120 degree angle from the center plane. So before that, we'll draw the first one. So this is the radius of a 7 mm, 8 mm radius and 7 mm inside diameter. So through that 7 mm M6 bolt is get mounted or get fitted. So this angle is 45 degree divided by 2, and it is a mirror. So first of all, we'll give the angle 22.5, and this line is get mirror from horizontal. So let's close the design. And now the center dimension is remaining. So this center axis is given at diameter of a 95. So this center point is at a 95 divided by 2, radially 47.5. So here this pocket is get completed, and it is 10 mm away from the base. So we'll do the pocket command. This is the throat pocket, and it is offset from 10 mm. So this is get completed. So this circle is not required, so we'll take output of that circle. So here the mounting pocket is completed. So this pocket having 120 mm angle and split it into the 3. So we'll use a complete cone, and angle is 120. So the 3 mounting pocket get completed, and we'll remove this internal also. So same complete cone, and we'll use the 3 pocket hole. M6 bolt will be applicable here, as the diameter 7 mm we are going to use. So this rectangular pocket, which is at the top side of our cover, and which having the wire harness accessibility. The function, it's very simple. It having the wire harness accessibility over there, and also it act for air vent also. So this is the throat pocket. We'll do it later. Before that, we'll use the shell command. And first of all, we'll give all the required radiuses for mounting. So 2 mm radius. So no any sharp edges applicable in a plastic product. So the 2 mm radius we already given. So now let's take a shell command. So we can do the boolean operations also, and shell we can do the shell also. So this pocket we need to do, or we have to replace after the shell command. So simply we can delete that pocket, and we'll again do the pocket command here. So this is the circle. So pocket throughout and circular pattern into the complete cone 3. So here mounting hole is completed and rectangular pocket also get completed. So now the except ribs, the total sketch is get completed. So we can give the radiuses at every sharp corner from bottom side, and here we can give the 3 mm. So now let's moving towards the rib. So the 2 mm rib and 9 quantity and having 1 mm thickness. So the section view DD you can see. So let's take a new body which having the name rib, and we'll design the basic ribs as per the given dimensions. So there are 9 ribs starting from the initial point, and mostly it is 30 degree from each other. So those are 9 ribs. So 30 degree, 30 degree. So we'll remove unnecessary part of our rib, and here the basic lines are get completed by using the thickness command or a thickness option. Will pad those ribs. So up to the plane, and this is the bottom plane. So here the basic rib are get generated. So now let's circular pattern for 3 revolutions. So this is the 3 patterns, similar pattern, 120 mm 120 degree dimensions from the basic one. So let's see the thickness of 1 mm thickness of a rib. So we have to do the intersection command. By using the intersection command, we'll apply those ribs which having the 1 mm thickness. So let's copy the basic body of our cover as a result with a link, and we'll apply the 1 mm additional thickness to the basic cover. So here the now cover having the 3 mm thickness, we'll use the intersect command, and here we get a intersecting ribs with the 3 mm cover. Basically it is the 2 mm, the wall thickness of our cover is a 2 mm, and by using the intersect command we develop those 1 mm thickness rib. So we'll finally add all the bodies into the part body. This is the very good practice to maintain our tree. The final body should be in the part body. So here our today's task is get completed. So we'll give the finishing operations. So we applied edge fillet at every sharp corner of our part. So let's apply or remove all the sharp corners with the 5.5 mm edge fillet. So here the part is get completed. So we'll apply the color for the cover part. So this is the final product. You can see we converted 2D into the 3D. Let's take a section view here. So it will be clearly visible that we maintain the uniform thickness of a 2 mm with additional of a rib. Here our today's video is get completed. Thank you for watching our YouTube channel. We'll try to share more and more technical knowledge related to the plastic product design and advanced CATIA. But before that, you have to subscribe, like and share our videos, and do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you guys.